Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and confirming iOS is up to date. This ensures all voice files are compatible. Next, go straight to Accessibility Spoken Content to change reading voices, or to Siri and search Siri voice if you want the assistant's voice. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi, because some voices download large files. Once there, tap Voices to view language options and accents. This first step gets you into the right menus so you can pick a new voice. Now you'll pick the exact voice. In Voices, select the language you need, then choose an accent and one of the listed voice variants. Tap a name to preview how it sounds. When you find the one you like, tap Download and wait for the progress to finish. Downloads can take a minute or two. If storage is tight, use Manage Voices to remove old files. Once downloaded, adjust speaking rate sliders in spoken content, or test Siri's responses in Siri and search to confirm the voice is active. Finish by testing. Select text and use Speak Selection, or swipe down with 2 fingers for Speak Screen to hear the new voice. For Siri, hold the side button and ask a short question. If the voice doesn't apply, restart the iPhone to force the system to reload voice assets. If a download fails, switch Wi-Fi networks, free up storage space, or retry later. Network interruptions and low storage are the most common issues, and clearing those usually resolves voice download problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.